Mercedes-Benz is pushing into new territory with its bold new Vision V. Set to debut on April 22, 2025, in Shanghai, the Vision V blends exceptional space with digital luxury, giving passengers an immersive, high-end experience. It is more than just a luxury van. It marks the beginning of a fresh chapter under the new Mercedes-Benz VLS branding. This premium lineup will include the Mercedes-Benz VLE and VLS, creating an all-new category of high-end multipurpose vehicles. From family travel to VIP transport, these grand limousines are built to impress with space, flexibility, and exclusivity. Do not forget to like, subscribe, and hit the notification bell for more videos from DPC Cars.